What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Kyosho Mad Van VE FAZER Mk2. Bash around up here, do some off-road because I haven't did off-road with this yet. I mean, I know it can handle it, but I don't want to mess up that pretty body right there. So let's get into it. Whoa, it is way off. I'm gonna start off slow. I really don't want to go off road, man. I don't know, I might go off road. I do not want to flip this thing. This thing a little rocky though. Whoa. Where you going? Let's see if it holds a wheelie. And this is only 2S. I didn't even put 3S in it. This is only 2S. So I know I was doing off-road, so I didn't want to stick my car in it. Oh shit. Little off-road test. Okay. Yo, this thing is a beast. Oh wow, this really impressed me just now. Oh, stop playing. Yeah, here go my end results. Then brake. I forgot to screw the tire in because I took them off so I could paint them. But it did awesome. It did really good. I didn't expect it to do off-road like that, but it did. This thing is a monster, people. This is a must-have. And I didn't flip her once. I said it before, but I got white lights in the front, red in the back. Always hit that like button, hit that notification bell. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.